Manual water pump. Hi guys, I am Jaideep Naru and I've recently made a manual water pump which basically runs on the manpower who rotates this pedal like this round, from which the conveyor belt is connected. You see the line, these two lines. This is the conveyor belt which is connected to this big wheel. This is basically a big wheel and a small wheel. This conveyor belt is connected to this small wheel, and this is and this small wheel is connected to a big wheel, so the lower force and the higher results could be obtained for the higher RPM per minute, which is basically a full form of an RPM. Sorry, and with the same mechanism and idea, the second wheel is also done. So this belt is connected to a small wheel, and from a big wheel, the conveyor belt is stretched to a third wheel, which is beneath connected with a small wheel like this. You see from a diagram. See like this, the conveyor belt is connected, and the big wheel. Okay, yeah, and you see this is basically a pivot, a piston basically. This is a piston and this is a piston rod and this is a pivot. So basically, by with this formula, as the person rotates this pedal like this, this makes the wheel rotate and the wheel makes this wheel rotate, from which this shaded portion rotates like from this left to right, in with synchronizing with it, the pivot like this even rotates like this round. Okay, with this with respect to this formula, the piston, the basically the piston which is drew here, it moves up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah? Okay, so this is a intake of a water. So as this pump tube is indulged or dipped in a tub of water, and this and as you rotate this pump like this, the piston goes up and down with the which creates a suction vacuum and pulls the water up. Okay, so as the water pulls up, the in the piston is small tiny this is a draft design, so I could not able to make many tubes. So in the practical time, you can make many tubes, so the while the suction of the of the water could go up. And this is, and you see like this is a small permeable membrane. Yeah, you see the permeable membrane, so the water could go up. And this is a large space, so sorry, this is a large space where the water could go out. Okay, make sure the water the space is large, so the water couldn't stuck also, and this should not be in so high that the water could not reach till there. Okay, for the higher octane risk issues, the this thing the valve should be quite big. Okay, yeah. And yeah, and I have also include concepts of thermal physics over here. Okay, the basically the tube, you see the tube over here. This tube is basically coated with the silver foil, so the basically the water is heated up. Okay, so sorry, the water is basically cooled down. Okay, yeah, it should be and you see the shaded area over here. This is nothing but basically a wall cavity, so the heat couldn't transfer from here to here. It will, but at a small time, sorry, at a large time. It was so I in the first week. I'm quite nervous at this time. Yeah. Okay. So this is okay. So this was my first prototype manual pump with respect to a normal formula of conveyor belts and wheels. You can give a small glance at it again. Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't told that this the rotation per minute, the RPM basically can be increased if we involve this technology again. It's a small wheel with the pivot over connected to the this stands. Okay, so the conveyor belt would be like this and this, and as the rotation time will decrease and the RPM result, the rotation will increase, the time will decrease and the rotation will increase. So such type of technique and technology is used in high-tech gear cycles. Okay, yeah, this is again the manual water pump. You can see the labelings also. So pivot, yeah, pedal, as I said, gear cycles one, belt, Thank you. And you can also give, and yeah, you can also give your feedbacks for this, and you can also suggest some improvements for, as I will make in short, I will make a new prototype, a real pump like this, because I've already made one, but due to some problem it's not working well. Yeah, so this time I'll make again and upload it soon on YouTube. Thank you.